Today we're solving problem 20 from the Spring Amc 10A from 2021. Okay. In how many ways can the sequence 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 be rearranged so that no 3 consecutive terms are increasing and no 3 consecutive terms are decreasing? Now 20 to 25 you should take the most time on because they're usually the hardest. So what I did this is actually a solution from AOPS. It's really good. So you make a sort of tree, I like to call it, but once you see a pattern, so when you get to the last 3 digits and there's like more than 2 possibilities for it, so let's just take the 1, 4, there's 2 possibilities where it can go, 2 starting from it or 3 starting from 2 or 3. Now, the first sequence is 2, 5, 3, and then the second one's 3, 5, 2. Let's take a look at another double thing. 1, 5, this one's 2, 4, 3, and this one's 3, 4, 2. Well, you might have already noticed, but when you have a solution in the last 3 digits that have 2 possibilities, they're basically reversing all these numbers, but keeping the middle number same. Okay, so 4, 3, 5, 5, 3, 4. Okay, and in this case, a unique case where it's only 4 left over, and 4 left over here, you're reversing the first and last ones. But in this case, you just reverse. But in this case, you can just try out numbers and see if there's like 2 cases. If there's not, that's that. But these are only the trees for 1, 2, and 3. There's still 4 and 5 to consider. When we count up the number of possibilities, we get 16 here. But there's still a lot more cases to consider. So, well, not a lot more, but we have to multiply by 2. Since there's also, when you start it with other numbers, such as 4 and 5, and you can reverse them, it'll add up to the total when you multiply by 2. This is going to be 16 times 2. Our answer is going to be 32, or D on the test.